All right, this is Doug again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a second edition to making a rope border. I thought I'd play around with maybe adding some details to the rope, and it's going to be your call whether it worked or not. But anyway, so if you don't know how to get to this point, please watch the first video. I've already drawn this up and we've set it up, and I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate. Our rotation is already there. It's a three degree rotation, but we're going to do a little bit different. So we're going to stop right there, and we're going to grab these lines that I drew, go up to Effects, Power Clip, place it inside Frame, and I'm going to do the first one because I've actually made a copy of that thing and changed up the lines a little bit. So automatically when you power clip, it's all grouped together. So we're going to make a duplicate of that. We're going to make sure our rotation, and we moved it 3 degrees. So now we're going to move it 6 degrees to get on the other side of that line. So now we're going to Control D again. And like I said, this is kind of your call. I'm going to try to engrave one of these in the morning and just to see how it looks. So we want to stop right there. Then we're going to take this one and use this power clip. Go to Effects, Power Clip, Place Inside Container. Now we've already rotated, and so it's a little bit different. We've already rotated it 3 degrees, so we need to go 9 degrees. Well, first I need to make a duplicate. So it's back up there, make a duplicate, go 9 degrees because we're skipping over it. Well, I went 90 degrees. 9 degrees, Control. And those lines are really probably too close to what the original one was, but you can see they're a little different. They're not, this one has 2 lines up here, so they're a little bit different. And I don't know, it adds a little bit of effect to it. It's take away our circle, and still you can group it and play around with the thickness of the line. Make it a little thicker. So it's going to be your call whether that looks like, that doesn't look too much like a rope. I'm more proud maybe of this one. That was the first one, and this one here might be a little bit better. I shaded one of them, but I'm going to engrave one of these in the morning to just see how it works. But the possibilities are endless. You could, maybe go out of the clip art and find a real rope and use it. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.